Are you comfortable with healthcare premiums possibly doubling for your constituents?
Well, first of all, I was, in Congress in 2013 when there was another shutdown with President Obama, and I'll tell you, I think the president always wins in a shutdown situation because it looks to the American people like Congress can't get along and can't come to an agreement. So I think the president wins under a shutdown scenario. As far as subsidies go, I'll tell you, Pamela, I have heard some horrific stories lately of what insurance companies are paying for that gives me no sympathy for these insurance companies who are for-profit entities, and they're being subsidized by the American taxpayer and the government. And so I think there has to be a much broader conversation about what is covered, what insurance companies are paying for, and then also the profits that are being made, not just by insurance companies, but healthcare providers as well. So I don't think subsidies is the fix to the problem.
Right, but time is running out, and there's an estimate that millions of Americans could lose their insurance if something isn't done about these premiums, right? So there's that issue. Go ahead.
I think that's just a Democrat, talking point to promote fear and to push people. There's going to be changes.
I'll cite the source. It's the think tank, the Urban Institute. Right. I just want to cite the source so our viewers know. It's the think tank, the Urban Institute. It estimated that about 4 million Americans would become uninsured after 2025 without the federal subsidies. And that includes 88,000 people from your state of Indiana. You also have Republicans like Marjorie Taylor Greene sounding the alarm about this.
Yeah, but Marjorie Taylor Greene doesn't speak for, most Republicans in the conference. Again, Speaker Johnson and Senator Thune and President Trump are going to be the leaders on this, not Marjorie. And so I think that what we need to remember is that Obamacare has been a failure over the past decade. And that's why our costs, right now, Pamela, our insurance and our healthcare industry, it's a wreck. I come from business background. We provide health insurance for employees, and the cost continues to go up every year, and then the deductible goes higher every year for employees. And so oftentimes we hear from, people are like, do we even have insurance? And, they can't go to the doctor that they used to go to. The entire healthcare system is now in shambles because of the system that's been created over the past years under Obamacare.
And look, a lot of Republicans are in your boat. You don't like Obamacare. You think it's bad. But the bottom line is this is a situation the country's in, that if something isn't done about these subsidies, then everything's going to go up. And so far, I haven't heard a concrete plan from Republicans on what to do before those premiums go up to a point where people won't be able to afford any health care at all.